Carveco Maker versus Vectric Aspire versus Vectric VCarve. So Carveco Maker is a newer CAD software aimed at hobbyists, makers, and small shops. It builds on the legacy of the ArtCam. So let's talk about the pros and cons. It offers subscription pricing, which keeps upfront costs lower. It also has a strong vector tool and better image-to-vector tracing. It offers unlimited work size for some limits and desktop versions, and it supports 3D relief import and manual smoothing. The cons is though, because it's subscription-based over long periods, can cost and add up. The learning curve is also for more advanced 3D modeling or relief work, and there are a fewer community. Now the Aspire Vectric, on the other hand, is a good premium, including everything in the VCarve Pro, plus more advanced 3D modeling, relief, creation, and many more. It's meant to do 2.5D and serious 3D work. Let's talk about the pros. So it offers true 3D model creation, a more powerful feature set overall, same reliable toothpads and community tutorials as Vectric products, but the cons is it has a much higher cost than VCarve Pro, and it can be a possible overkill if you mostly do 2D carving or smaller jobs. Now lastly we have is the VCarve Pro. It's a mature, established CAD solution for 2.5D design, tool pathing, popular with design makers, woodworkers, and semi-pro CNC users. So it offers very strong 2.5D work. It has a perpetual license. It has a large user base, and there are approved version, which removes the size work limitation. The cons is it is less capable for full 3D model creation, and they have a higher upfront cost. So overall, choose the Carveco Maker if you want to value the best value and flexibility for the more advanced work. And then choose VCarve Pro if your work is mostly 2D or 2.5D. And choose Aspire if you need advanced 3D modeling plus reliefs and want one tool.